In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export reports from Omnisend. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your reporting tools, how to zero in on the numbers you need, and how to download a clean file you can share or analyze further. First, log into your Omnisend dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left side menu and click on Reports. This is your analytics hub. You'll notice there are separate tabs for different parts of your marketing, such as campaigns, automations, and sales. Each tab organizes data around a specific area, so you can focus on the metrics that matter for that workflow. Today, we'll work in the Campaigns tab, which is perfect for reviewing email and SMS campaign performance. Open Reports, then choose Campaigns. Before exporting anything, take a moment to filter the data so your file contains exactly what you need. Set your date range to match the period you're evaluating, whether that's the last week, a monthly snapshot, or a custom time frame that aligns with a campaign. You can also filter by channel type, like email or SMS, to keep the report focused. Getting the filters right up front saves time later and ensures the numbers in your export match the story you're trying to tell. Once your filters are set, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your view, you'll either see an export button directly or a three-dot menu icon. Click the export button, or, if you see the three dots, click that to reveal export options. From here, choose either Print to PDF or Export Data. If you select Export Data, you'll typically have a choice between CSV and PDF. CSV is ideal if you plan to analyze data in a spreadsheet tool or import it into another system. PDF is best for a quick, presentation-ready snapshot that's easy to share with teammates or stakeholders. Print to PDF works similarly, giving you a formatted document version of what you see on screen. After you make your selection, your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a clear destination on your device and give the file a descriptive name, like Campaigns Report Q1 or Email Performance Last 30 Days, so it's easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Reports, open Campaigns, apply filters, export from the top right, and save your file. With this workflow, you can quickly pull reliable, shareable insights whenever you need them.